Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to either log in or sign in, so create new account in order to be able to actually use the Google Play Store. Here we've got our account and we can tap on it and simply enter my apps and games. Sometimes there is a situation where your device will not show you those options right here, but no worries. Then simply tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner. And after tapping on it, you will be able to enter my apps and games. So let's tap on it. As you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this update section, and in my case I've got 21 updates pending. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on update all and your device will simply download all of the updates. If not, just find the apps you'd like to download and tap on update. So let me pick, for example, Google Chrome. Just tap on update, and as you can see, your device will right now download the update, and after that it will be successfully and automatically installed. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait. Of course, you can turn off the Play Store and your device will still install it in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.